related to division. In a division sum, the number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The result obtained on division is called the quotient, and the number which is left undivided is called the remainder. Here 9 is a divisor, 4 is quotient, 38 is dividend, and 2 is remainder. Checking division. To check a division result, multiply the quotient by the divisor and add the remainder to this product. The result should be equal to the dividend. Thus, divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. From this division fact, we have divisor 9, quotient 4, remainder 2 and dividend 38. 9 multiply 4 plus 2 is equal to 38. So, our answer is correct.